Right now, I am deep in the Rocky Mountains of Colorado, and I'm about to explore a few historic homesteads located deep in the mountains, and that date back to the early 1900s. This must be their outhouse right here. Rusty old can. That's crazy. Oh, that's where they put the toilet paper. There's no, I don't see the hole for the hole of the toilet. It's actually a little bigger than I expected. I thought this would be a tiny little hut. There's actually two people could probably live in here comfortably. I think I gotta go in through here. They had like tile floor? That's crazy. Didn't expect that. Fireplace. Some items still up there. Hole in the floor. Whatever that is. Must be like the door can't move. This is probably like the bedroom. Oh, there's like wallpaper as the floor. And like a dresser. Yeah, what a way to live. I don't think I could do it. I'm gonna stay in here a while to wait for the storm to pass, because I'm I'm kind of scared, bro. I'm not gonna lie.